attention to their special needs. With the creation of Integrated Touristic Accessible Sea Destinations program, the creation of appropriate non-permanent infrastructures in the wider area of the beaches was financed. Such are access ramps to the beach, removable changing rooms, portable sanitary facilities, walkways, shade areas and protection of the swimmers, and many more. These facilities will facilitate and make the life of the people with disabilities and other categories of people with limited mobility, such as the elderly, the injured, pregnant women, way easier. These projects are considered necessary to develop an integrated touristic accessible maritime destination. Accessibility ensures equal opportunities and possibilities for all, without excluding any group of people. Towards this direction, the Accessible Tourist Destination label has already been adopted by the Ministry of Tourism. The main concern and purpose are to promote and highlight destinations that meet specific criteria so that they are accessible to everyone, including people with disabilities and special population groups. Let us strive to establish the right of innate dignity within our lives. Let's give everyone the respect and value we deserve. Visit the accessiblebeaches.gr and find an accessible beach near you. Because ensuring equal access to the sea and to the beach is a human right and an obligation of every civilized place. Accessible beaches for everyone.